Into a Thursday, May 22nd. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And barring a small miracle, it's still sounding like our nation is headed for another postie strike as early as Friday. The Postal Workers Union, CUPW, rejecting the latest offer from Canada Post, which included a 13% wage hike over 4 years. The union still after 19%. A surprisingly strong start for earnings season in the banking sector. The country's second largest financial institution, the TD, the first off the mark with a second quarter profit of $11.1 billion from $2.6 billion a year back. Even so, the TD says it still intends to cut around 2,000 jobs. It only takes 2 minutes to get smarter. Canada's Business Beat, updated daily on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, including Spotify and Apple. The more you listen, the more you know. Yet more U.S. tariff-caused uncertainty for Canada's job market. StatsCan reporting another hike for the number of Canadians collecting regular employment insurance benefits, up 1.9% in March to 497,000, which is also 6%, or about 28,000 more than a year back. Ontario showing the biggest EI increase year over year at 12.8%, or 19,000. Wheat, canola, and coal, the main drivers. Canada's railways had a better month back in March, showing an overall increase for car loadings, ahead by 1.7% to 33.3 million tons, despite sharply lower shipments out of the States. Labor peace in British Columbia's healthcare sector. A new 3-year settlement reached to end a 10-week-old job action by about 1,200 workers at Life Labs, the province's largest medical lab services provider. And yet more backtracking from previous environmental promises in the business space. The Canada Pension Plan Investment Board, the latest to abandon its net zero carbon emission target, which had earlier vowed that its holdings would be carbon-free by 2050. And that will do it for your Thursday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.